Welcome to SK Educations Private Limited, a Delhi-based established company that is well known for India's two most premium franchisee educational brands. Bachpan in the play school segment, and Academic Heights Public School, that is AHPS, in the K-12 segment. With its technical arm, TriSmart. Bachpan is a well-established play school franchisee brand that began its journey back in 2004. We pride ourselves for the fact that within a short span, our franchise network has grown to 1100 plus schools nationwide and is continuing. We bring the most contemporary and concept-based education for our children with a completely structured learning and the latest tech tools to break the monotony. Bachpan caters to educational and upbringing needs of children between 2 to 5 years. Unique pedagogy, updated curriculum matching global standards, scientific and advanced study material, play and learn equipment. We provide facilities that are considered at par with international standards and norms, with no compromise in the quality of our preschool standards. We allow our franchisees to sell our goods, services and concepts for which all research, survey and homework has been done for a long number of years. More than 1 lakh students with Bachpan, and the journey continues still. In 2009, SK Educations launched formal school brand, Academic Heights Public School. 100 plus AHPS schools are successfully operational across India and follow the CBSE curriculum. Our R&D team has developed curriculum for Bachpan and AHPS. At SK Educations, we strive to provide K-12 educational solutions at core, ancillary to core and hybrid for schools and children. We provide all possible support material. This was about the extensive, well-equipped, well-managed and systematic functioning of the Bachpan and AHPS warehouse. Secure storage, efficient record keeping, digital system, trained staff. We invest to enrich our customer experience. Happy to serve you. Parentskey.com, our online shopping portal, gives a great experience and also the convenience to the community of parents nationwide. They can order 24/7 and track their orders digitally. We have an in-house manufacturing unit spanning across a massive space of 50,000 square feet, which is equipped with the state-of-the-art machinery and technology to create a world-class institutional furniture. We provide exclusive range of setup material. Wearing the school uniform brings a sense of harmony, equality and togetherness among the children. A dedicated unit is established to cater the bulk requirement and meet quality standards. Our uniforms are suited to the comfort levels of students of all age groups. Our schools get the biggest support system. We have a team of 250 plus members to assist our schools in the franchise life cycle. We facilitate our good franchise schools during our annual event, Maestro Franchisee Awards. AHPS Mega Competitions is a national event wherein students from different schools across India participate in large number. Activities are conducted under the supervision of experts to encourage active participation of students and reward the winner. The company has its technical arm, TriSmart, to create and provide all digital tools to its network. Our schools gain from our expertise and save their time, effort and expenditure required in developing tech tools. We provide digital smart class through Price Smart Magic and Price Smart Classic. Bachpan is the first preschool in India to launch Speako Kit, which includes Speako books and a Speako pen. Immersive learning through augmented reality and virtual reality, tablet-enabled learning and Robotime, a wonderful curriculum-based introduction of robotics. Knowing and understanding robotics and latest technology at an early stage of life will help children. SK Education has become completely digital with the use of ERP solution paperless. Our schools get an opportunity to run additional projects that include Bachpan Academy, Saturday Club, Activity Junction, Noon Shift. SK Education proudly announces our upcoming university at Delhi NCR Sonipat by name Rishi Hood University. जब हमारे इमर्सिव लर्निंग से इनू और बच्चे किताबों से सुनेंगे, स्मार्ट क्लासेस से एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और क्लासरूम्स को एक एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस बनाएंगे, तो आप अपना बचपन फिर से एक बार जीना तो चाहेंगे ही। बट सॉरी, क्योंकि बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है। बचपन, प्ले स्कूल, एन आई ऑन द फ्यूचर, एन एयर फॉर applause. The fragrance of a winning formula, the sweet taste of success, and a touch of humanity. Academic Heights Public School. We teach life.